Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Ben from Ben Daily Tips. Today we have a quick tutorial about how to bring this PC icon on desktop Windows 10. Let's get started. First, you should type in your Windows 10 search bar themes and select themes and related settings. Here we are in theme settings. Scroll down to find desktop icon settings. Click on that and desktop icon settings dialog showing up. Here you should check computer. You can also check other stuff if you need, like control panel icon, and after that click on apply and OK button. As you can see, this PC icon is showing up on my desktop. Another way you can do this is click on start menu and go to settings, and here in settings you should select themes, and here scroll down to find desktop icon settings and other stuff. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoy it.